had a quick look at the recipe and might know what we're making today.
Oatmeal banana cookies.
And oats are really, really good carbohydrate for you that give you, remember I was talking about instead of having sugary cereal that gives you lots of energy for a short time, we want energy for a long time. Bobby's ready, thank you. Paige is ready, super. Thank you, Madeline. Excellent. So we need to make sure it's nice and level and flat all the way to the top. And then all you got to do is dump it into the bowl, okay? And take this time to take a little smell. You can smell it has a really strong flavor. And that's why we're going to use measuring spoons and not cups. With our cookies, we're going to have some mindful taste testing. So we're going to smell them. What do they smell like? Oh, good. We got 2 thumbs up from Bobby and 2 from Madeline and Paige. Excellent.
Now, I can put up 1,000 thumbs up.
Okay, so have fun and thank you so much for joining in.